Here we have repetition of this systematically uh, manner where this relativistic quantum space time unification, entire physical space time is quantum, and depending on the speed quantum effects are not dominant in certain regions. A space time morphos is to morph to classical to relativistic and space to STR as productive relative. And this is what these points are cusps, and they are distinguished between the two domains. This is relativistic region. This is quantum region, the classical region. This point differentiation. This is physical space time. So this kind of the differentiation could not have come without the solution given by Vaidya. That was my contribution. I appreciate. I was so happy that this kind of analysis could be done by some just one little change in the primary equation connecting space and time, putting quantum gravity in the right side. Mathematical analysis is very cumbersome. Looking into the whole output of the parametric solution, some implications can be concluded. Space and time are not identical. There is the basic difference called ontological difference. There is possibility for coexistence of future and past, which is a very unusual experience in classical physics. Classical physics says only one way it goes, and equations are symmetric. But there is no experience. We go back in the time in experience. In experience, it's all forward. But classical physics says no, we can go back and forth. But here got future and past coexist in the problem. That's quantum effect. This is unusual. So this time curve going back and forth is a very unusual output from mathematics. So different from experience. But if you see the overall result, it is necessary for that such a time scales back and forth for transient functions, transient unit, mathematically. And we know life is transient, it takes for some time, and then it needs actually time going forth. This method shows, yes, there is mathematically 8 times space time called quantum space time, which can be going back and forth simultaneously everywhere. And this is one important output of the converse solution. I think I was happy